Welcome back guys, VST here at Tech. This here is my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and this here is a C. So in this video I will test if the new 2x apparently optical zoom kind of level crop is actually doing something or not. So for this, what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to snap a few pictures using 2x before the update. Then I'm going to install the updating camera assistant and read the picture. So I'm going to do like one picture in this setting, then I'm going to do one picture with more extreme light setting, then one also outside, and then I'm gonna repeat the very same shots but with the new updates. And yeah, let's just see what is gonna happen. And I'm going of course to show you the pictures before the update 2x, right, 2x, and the pictures after the update with the latest camera assisting feature. Let's take the first sample without the update and then boom, lights are on. Let's take the second sample. Now what we're gonna do guys, we are directly gonna go inside the store and I am going to show you that camera assistant update. So what do? We just scroll down guys to the camera assistant. So support version is One UI 5.1 or higher, and I already know that you are required to use the August patch. So if you don't have the August patch guys on your S23 Ultra, of course it can be on One UI 5.1, it's not going to work. And the version guys that we have right now is 1.1031 from the 16th of August, 8.79 megabytes. So I'm now going to update it. Then guys, I'm going to go back to the camera. I'm going to show you this new option and then I'm going to redo the very same settings. And of course at the end I'm also going to show you a comparison really from the pictures that we have before and prior. Now this here is the new setting. It says optical quality crop zoom. Add a 2x zoom option to the camera. The zoom is cropped from the high resolution sensors, so it is as good as an optical lens. I mean, alright guys, I don't really get it. The whole idea of using 2x is anyway just getting a crop from the main camera, but right now first we have the shortcut directly here, so you don't really have to click, right? And then it's supposed to be with a better quality. So without any further ado guys, I'm going to snap also this picture, wait for the phone to be perfectly still, alright? And then I'm going to also try to snap the picture with the bright lighting. Bright lighting also captured guys. I'm going to go now outside and do one in the dark with the option off and on, right? And then guys, let's compare it and see if this really adds something or it's just a gimmick. So here we are at a very dark environment guys, and what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to turn the optical quality crop zoom and I'm going to open the camera and try to shoot a picture, okay? And then I'm going to turn the setting back on and see if we're going to get a better result. Right, you know what, I'm also going to turn the night shot on to just make this more interesting. So boom, okay, trying to capture it. Now guys, I'm gonna go back inside the camera assistant, and by the way, if you're wondering, I'm using the maximum setting with the AI or advanced intelligence option, which means that also scene optimizer is on, which means that additional processing is applied. Now the feature is on and I'm now going to just take another shot at 2x. All right, now it's time to check on the PC if this really works, and if you like videos like this, then yeah, you might as well want to support the channel. Here are all the shots I have taken, and I'm gonna use the fast tone image viewer to compare them. We're gonna start with the 2x old no light versus the 2x new no light. So how does it work? I selected, I press P, and now we are going to see both of them. So this one guys is the 2x new no light. New means that the new optical zoom crop feature is enabled, and here 2x old no light means that here the camera assistant even was the previous version. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to zoom this up a bit guys, because else we're not able to estimate it. When you look at this just as a regular picture, you might think it's the same picture, right? Almost everything is of the same, but the details here are coming to life when we start zooming in. Let's analyze the head of the picture. So the details, I pretty much see that we have almost the same. Also the f107, the ISO is the same, it's 500 guys, and the shutter speed 1/26 versus 1/28. The histogram looks pretty much the same, so it looks like that's the same picture. So let's analyze a bit the corners. I put this Dio stick here to get a perspective and also to see how the zoom will play on the text, but I can
yeah, I'm not seeing any kind of advantages here in the new one versus the old one. Then also to the left we have here this plant. So this is the new picture, guys, but to my eyes it's pretty much looks the same. So overall right now what I see that it is 100%, maybe not, but maybe 85-90% still the same picture with no noticeable detail increase. I'm trying to find something, but I'm not able. It pretty much looks as it's the same picture, guys. So here, yeah, there is clearly no advantage. But now let's check the other scenarios. Looking first at the histogram, we see that all the values are almost the same. Shutter speed here is 1/50 versus 1/50, f 1:7, and the ISO is the same. This kind of makes sense, guys. And let's start here with the face of this action figure. Details and noise and texture, I think shadow and highlights are absolutely 1-to-1. I'm trying to force myself to find something, but I just don't think it's there. So yeah, okay, maybe if we look down to the corner there might be something here with the Wagner figure, but I'm not 100% sure if it's better or not. It kind of looks just a tiny bit sharper. Now let's see the deal stick here. So again, this is the new with the camera update. All the fonts are quite readable. Alright, if we just go again to the plant, no major differences. So we are only left with one shot, and this here is the 2x old night versus the 2x new night. This is gonna be interesting. I did this outside with the night mode. Okay, yeah, here guys, the new one. So clearly my hand probably shake, so this test is not so valid. But if we disregard what has happened here, which is clearly worse, we're still not able to see any significant optimization. And even this scenario here, but I will blame this here on myself, just not being able to hit it, and maybe I was just too close. I did this here by hand, but even by looking here at the details down below, I don't think that necessarily there are some advantages. Probably more testing is needed, but right now I'm not able to conclude if this new 2x crop is just better than the old 2x crop which comes from the main sensor. So maybe the processing is a tiny bit different, but altogether right now I cannot conclude that it does a miracle whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like content like this, don't forget to sub. Stay safe, VSD over, and bye.